So what is coaching? In this video, we are going to talk all about coaching, what it is, what it isn't, and the process about coaching. This applies whether you receive coaching from me or from somebody else. So what is coaching? This is the definition of coaching that I like. Coaching is a dialogue between a coach and a leader with the intention of finding creative ways to address challenging problems, improve team and unit performance, accelerate progress on key initiatives, and advance the leader's career. This is a really good definition because coaching is a dialogue. The coaching process that we are going to use, the Visionary Results coaching process, is 3 phases: define, plan, and execute. These phases mirror the strategic execution and planning process of the Visionary Results system. In define, we are going to want to understand the desired results. What is the vision that the leader has for the future? And what are the metrics that we will use in order to determine if that vision is coming true? And what's the current reality? In the planning, we're going to look at the gap between those two and determine options to close that gap and choose what actions we are going to take. And finally, in execute, we're going to act. We're going to actually do the thing that we've determined in our choice. And then we're going to review progress and see if any adjustments need to be made. These are some of the key elements of coaching. 1, I'm going to ask you open-ended questions. The intent of these questions is to better understand the challenge you are facing and have you come up with some ideas to overcome it. I may interrupt you or ask very pointed questions. If I have a suggestion, you can respond with yes, no, or propose an alternative or ask for time to think about it. It's your agenda. You decide what issues we are going to address in each session and over the course of our engagement. I will help you track and prioritize issues, but the agenda is your responsibility. And finally, we are equal partners in the coaching process. Neither one of us is subordinate to the other. This is an equal partnership in order to help you achieve the goals that you want from the coaching engagement. Confidentiality. Everything we discuss is confidential. Nothing said in the coaching session will be shared outside of the coaching relationship, including with your manager or human resources or in your performance review. The only exceptions are if you indicated that you are, will, or wish to do harm to yourself or others, or that you are doing anything illegal within your company. The only status updates we will provide if asked is whether you are showing up for your coaching sessions. Results are expected to show up through your improved performance in your role. My responsibilities as coach include being committed to your professional and organizational success. I will fully prepare for each meeting to ensure that your time is well spent, and I will be available and supportive as your coach, including between meetings as needed. I'm going to be open, honest, constructive, respectful, and professional, and maintain an ethical relationship with you and your organization. I am open to your advice about bringing more value to your experience in the coaching program. Your responsibilities. 1, commitment. The coaching relationship must be important to you and you must be committed to achieving the goals that you have outlined. Openness. You must be open to receiving coaching, including being willing to hear advice. Punctuality. You really need to attend all coaching sessions on time. During coaching sessions, you need to be present with no external distractions, cell phones, other people, email, etc. Any assignments that you have, you will complete them on time. Honesty. You will be open and honest during the sessions, which includes giving advice to me about how you can get more value from our time together. And finally, review. You agreed to provide an honest review of our coaching program in the middle at the end of the engagement so that we can assess the program and make any improvements. So I'm excited to work with you. Let's get started.